So Eaton is an diversified industrial manufacturer. So we have several sectors. We have our electrical sector and our industrial sector. And this facility here is part of the industrial sector within our aerospace group. We manufacture components that then go onto pumps, motors, motor pumps, and then those go onto military and commercial aircraft for applications such as landing gear, for example.
The thing that I enjoy most about Eaton here is the fact that the challenges that I face are new, and it allows me to learn and improve myself each and every day, because I come in here every day and it's not going to be the same thing. We make so many different parts for aerospace that it's a challenge every day, and I get to learn so much out of it. Definitely want to thank SC Works for all the help that they did, even as little as getting me some new steel-toe boots for my job. Everything that they've done for me was excellent.
We have been so pleased with not only the skill level of these employees, but just their attitudes, bringing a fresh perspective to our culture, their ability to really pick up on things quickly, but also to build interpersonal relationships with our employees. SC Works has been fantastic. They made the process easy, smooth, efficient, which is what you need, especially in HR. So limited paperwork, and they were able to answer all of my questions so that I could help keep the new hire experience at its best.